Did you know that self-uploading your documents for your VFS visa appointment is actually free? A lot of people think you have to bring your physical documents to the center and pay for them to be scanned. And while that is a service they offer for convenience, it usually comes with a fee. I recently had my own VFS appointment, and I decided to do the upload process myself. It was completely free, and honestly, it made the actual appointment go much smoother because my data was already in the system. So in this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of document self-upload step by step so you have confidence to self-upload the documents with confidence. Let's get started. Quick note before we begin. This process assumes you have already booked your VFS appointment and selected Document Self-Upload Service. If you haven't done that yet, or if you need help with the booking process, please check the link in the description for my video on how to book an appointment. Also, if you didn't select Self-Upload when you originally booked, don't worry, you can still add that option inside the portal now. Let's get started. First, go to Google and search for VFS Global Sign-In. You will need to enter your application reference number and your registered email address to log in. Once you are logged in, you will see a dashboard that looks like this. It is generally divided into 4 sections: Appointment Details, Customer Details, Document Self-Upload, and Your Services. In the first section, Appointment Details, you have the options to cancel or reschedule if your plans change. This is also the place where you can resend your confirmation letter or download your appointment letter and QR code. Next is Customer Details, which just confirms your name, reference number, and the date and time of your slot. Then we have Your Services. This lists everything you selected during booking. Now, this is important. If you do not see the Document Self-Upload tab on your screen, it means you didn't select it earlier. You can fix this right here by clicking Buy Extra Services and adding the Self-Upload option to your account. Now comes the main part of today's video, the Document Self-Upload section. Supporting documents are used to back up your visa application. They prove the authenticity of your application and show that you meet all the eligibility requirements. Uploading clear and accurate supporting documents strengthens your application and helps reduce the risk of visa refusal. Before we start uploading any documents, let me quickly walk you through the instructions shown on this page. These instructions are very important, and following them correctly will help you avoid any mistakes during the upload process. First, always refer to the document checklist you received from gov.uk as part of your application, and make sure you upload all the documents mentioned there. Keep in mind, this checklist can vary depending on the type of visa you are applying for. Also, try to upload no more than 5 documents at a time, and always upload them one category at a time to avoid any issues. Next, VFS cannot accept encrypted, password-protected, or read-only files. If you're unable to remove these restrictions, the safest way is to upload a scan of the printed document. Also, make sure your documents' names are in English and do not include any special characters. And the accepted formats are PDF, JPG, JPEG, and PNG, with a maximum size of 5 megabytes per file. Before submitting, you can preview each document to check that it is uploading correctly. And don't forget, you must click Save and Upload after uploading your documents. If you don't, they will not be submitted with your application. The good news is, you can always come back to add or remove documents anytime before your biometric appointment date. This gives you some flexibility if you need to make changes. Now, let's take a look at the different sections in the document upload area. Your documents are organized into categories here, which makes the whole process much easier. Depending on the type of visa you are applying for and the checklist you received from gov.uk, you need to upload the relevant supporting documents into each section. Once a document is uploaded, you can preview it to make sure it's correct or delete it if it's the wrong file.
You'll also see a green tick above a section once it has at least one document uploaded. This helps you track your progress. After you've finished uploading all your documents, scroll down and click Save and Upload to submit everything. Once submitted, you can review all your documents on the Uploaded Files page. And if you want to upload more files later, simply click the Upload More Files button to make any required changes. And that's it. That's how you self-upload your supporting documents for your visa application. The only thing left now is to attend your appointment on the selected date, provide your biometrics, and then wait for a response from the UK immigration team. I hope this guide made the process clear and easy to follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step tips. Good luck with your application.